Build your life, do it yourself. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I just wanted to make a fall simmer pot to make my home smell nice. So I thought I would go ahead and show you guys while I'm doing it. So the things I'm going to be using are the peels from these oranges. If you have a regular size orange, you probably need one, but I have these little mini baby oranges, so I'll probably use 2 or 3 of these peels. And then I'm going to be using some star anise, some cinnamon sticks, and I have a little bit of vanilla in here, but the vanilla isn't necessary. So I'm going to go ahead and peel my oranges, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I have my orange peels now. I'm going to go ahead and add just a little bit of water in the bottom of my pot. Just about that much, and if I need more, then I will get some more in a minute. I'm just going to start my burner on like a low simmer. I'm just going to add my ingredients. So I have my orange peels. Like I said, I peeled 2 of the little baby oranges. I'm just adding this. Some star anise. And I have about 3.5 cinnamon sticks. So just a few, 3 or 4 cinnamon sticks I think would be fine. And I think I have just a tiny bit of vanilla left in here. So I'm just gonna put that little bit in here. Okay. So I completely forgot that I have cloves. So I wanted to add a few cloves as well. Just whatever you want to add. So just whole cloves in here. Whatever you want to add for your fall scent. That. So there's what that looks like. I think that should be enough water for now. So I'm just going to leave it on the stove on low, and you can leave it on all day. Just make sure that you keep adding water to it, obviously, so you don't burn up your stuff and catch it on fire. You can also put the lid on the pot and use it for another day or so afterwards until the smell is gone. But it's just as easy as that. You just have it on the stove all day. It'll make your house smell amazing. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Check out all my links below, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye. Take care.